so I'll just come and stand right next to me. Alright, so when you throw an axe, first off you want to lead off your opposite foot. I am left-handed, so I lead off with my right foot. So obviously if you're right-handed, lead off with your left. Make a fist around the axe. Let your thumb flip up here, that throws it off balance, so keep it tucked down. Leave only about a half an inch to an inch sticking out at the bottom. Keep your hips and your shoulders square, and when you throw,
Colin, tell him to start
straight
with
back
his,
over your shoulder and straight to the target. You want to have a nice, strong, smooth follow through, and just let it slide right out of your hand, okay? Alright, whenever you're ready.
There you go.
That was actually really good.
Come on, give me some power.
Yeah.
Did you eat lunch? Yeah, it's like you're hearing Tonyo.
Oh, that's alright, a little bit more. That was good. Wow. That's alright. Your wrists are starting to twist a little bit. Try to keep the axe straight up and down.
You're stepping into here, and then I tell you to move here.
Don't let your wrists.
Still want you to step into it.
Oh, that almost.
Really close.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, yeah. Good job, Angel.